28th? I can't, sorry, there's something big happening that day.
Oh, message. Would you be available to host the biggest YouTube event in history? 2 billion viewers. 28th of September? No, I'm busy that day.
Did you say the 28th? No, I'm sorry, I definitely can't do that day.
The 28th, did you say? Busy.
Oh, out of all the days, that is the one day I cannot do. I've got something very important happening that day.
Seems like everyone's a little bit busy on the 28th, and that's because we're excited to say that all these incredibly special guests will be making a stand against bullying by taking part in the big Anti-Bullying Assembly 2020.
Join thousands of primary schools watching our film across the nation on the 28th of September. So what are you waiting for? Sign your school up today and we'll see you there.